And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guaranty RV Center in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a little video tour this morning of this 2020 Desert Fox 24AS. We'll start here on the outside and zoom right on into the inside. Starting outside, you'll notice you've got a full front cap with LED lighting. You've got on the side, you've got ready for portable solar. The unit would come with 2 batteries, 2 large LP tanks, an electric jack with a light and a leveling bubble. We've got a toy lock to the side, again LED lighting, a nice large front compartment, electric awning, outdoor speakers. You've got 2 LED lights on the side. These are both motion sensor lights with a nice full body front step and grab handle. Coming inside, we've got the well-known Desert Fox key holder, monitor panel where all of your controls are, including your generator. This is going to come with a 4,000 watt generator, 60 watt solar panel, Kenwood surround sound system, DVD, CD player, USB compatible, and it also has a USB port on it. This is going to have day-night shades in it. You're going to have the large queen bed on the top, and then 2 sofas, fold-down sofas that come out and make into a large queen bed as well. The patio deck is going to go down, and that'll work as a deck or, of course, a ramp. It's equipped with a carpet kit. The carpet kit is removable. It just rolls up out of the way when you're hauling your toys. Get your toys out, put the carpet kit back down. It makes it really comfortable. Lots of overhead cabinets. You've got a microwave, a 3-burner oven, and a Furrion stove as well. You've got a double bowl sink, hard surface countertops in the kitchen area. Again, lots of cabinetry, large Norcold refrigerator, more pantry space here right next to the refrigerator, and of course on top. Coming into the back area, I'll let the camera do the work there, but we've got a separate tub shower combination and toilet room with lots of room for toiletry items. And again, same thing over here. You've got more room for more toiletry items. You've got a medicine cabinet with a sink and your sink. It makes it convenient when you're both trying to get ready at one time. Wardrobe closet to the left, and to the right we've got a shirt closet, pull-outs, USB ports, 110 power, and you've got a fantastic fan in the bedroom area. That's a nice fan that is reversible. Let's step out to the outside. I'm going to come down to the side of the trailer. On the side of the trailer, you're going to notice, first thing you're going to notice is the 4,000 watt generator. Again, additional storage area. All of your sewer hose and your valves are up nice and tight, so you don't have to worry about dragging them when you're out in the country. This is going to come equipped with Goodyear tires, shocks on each wheel. You're going to have your air up station here, so you've actually got an air compressor there to air up when you air down your tires for the dunes. We've got a 10-gallon water heater, black tank flush, fuel station. Again, part of the fuel station, a fold-down ladder. It is a full walkable roof. Coming to the back side of the unit, you're going to notice more LED lighting, and you're going to notice too that the ramp door actually has locks built into the door, so you don't have to add extra padlocks to that door. These are built here in the Northwest for the Northwest. They're a Northwood product. It's a great product line, part of the Arctic Fox family, and we sell all of their brands. If you have a question on this unit or any other, please feel free to call me at 541-968-6010. Thanks and have a great day.